The Pigmented Kit is a kit that has 8 items in it for pigmented skin. And what is pigmented skin? It's a skin that is blotchy. It's a skin that maybe has melasma, that's just really tricky to treat. And melasma, as we know, is so tricky to treat anyway. So pigmented skin is blotchy. It can be the melasma, what we call the pregnancy mask. It's a skin that's very sensitive to the pigment, the melanocytes, you know. So what are the products within this kit? The cleanser is the essential. It's a Rejuve Plus Essential Cleanser, and it is a great cleanser. It's great because it is not a drying cleanser. It has some body to it. So you want to, on clean, dry hands, you want to put some of your cleanser onto your hands. You want to work it into the skin, doing circular motions, getting under any fine facial hair, really paying attention to the areas that are needed. Count to 30 seconds, take it off with a warm, wet washcloth. The second product that you're going to be putting on AM and PM is the soothing lotion. It is it's an aloe-based soothing gel. It's a calming gel. A lot of pigmented skins have used different products on their skin, whether it be hydroquinones or retinols. They've done other products to try and lighten and brighten the melasma. And what has happened is it makes the skin very sensitive when you're often using products like that and ingredients like that. So it's important to have a soothing lotion that's calming, aloe-based, and you're going to do that as your second step after you wash your face, AM and PM. The third item that you have in your kit is the Flavonoid. Now the Flavonoid is a nighttime serum. It's a PM serum. So after you put on your super soothing gel, you're going to put on a little bit of the Flavonoid, a couple of drops, and you'll put that all over the face. And particularly make sure you're putting it on the areas where you have darker pigment, or around the eyes if you get dark circles around the eyes. The Flavonoid is a really amazing product for dark circles and the thin skin because it helps support the little blood vessels. So you want to put that on the skin. It does leave the skin a little bit yellow. It's a yellowish brownish in color, so it is a nighttime serum. And then over top of that one, you're going to then be putting your A Night Gel. The A Night Gel is it's a retinol product. It's a moisturizer that is, as I said, it is a retinol, and it's something that is you may not want to use it every night because it's strong. So you want to wean your way into this. You might want to start using it once or twice a week, and then after a month, you know, add in another day. And you put it on over top of your Flavonoid, and it's a great retinol product. And unfortunately, when you have things like melasma and scarring, discoloration, you do need the stronger additive products to lighten and brighten the skin. So it is a really important product in the regimen, the A Night Gel, but you do have to be careful and wean your way into using it. So we've got the A Night Gel. Now that's your PM regimen. Your AM regimen, you've cleansed your skin, you've put on your super soothing gel. Now you're going to put on your whitening toner. And your whitening toner is a product that is something that's more of a treatment to your skin. It comes with a spray, a spritz, so you can either spray it onto your fingers and pat it into your skin. And on those days, the mornings, what it does is, because it is high in vitamin C, it really helps protect you from the sun. And that's the one thing that you really need protection from, is the sun, is even lighting. You know, indoors, the lighting I have here, you know, indoors, your computer screen, these kinds of things, you need protection. So the whitening toner is not just a brightener, but it aids in protecting from the UVA, the UVB, the lighting that we have inside as well. So it's a really important product also to have in your regimen. So that is your whitening toner, and that is the second or third step of your AM regimen. Then you've got your next product over that you're going to be putting on is your your vitamin C. So your vitamin C product is a serum that is high in vitamin C. It is not an irritating vitamin C. Like some vitamin Cs are really irritating on the skin. This one is not an irritating vitamin C. It's a vitamin C that is very supports your capillaries, supports your skin from the environment, and it stays on the skin. So again, we're really trying to up the support from the UVA and UVB, from the sun's rays, to protect the skin. So your vitamin C is your daytime serum. You can also put a little bit of that one on at night, and alternate with your Q flavonoid if you like. You can do it that way. It doesn't necessarily just have to be daytime, but it is a great product to use. And the same with your whitening toner. That's something that you can also use at nighttime, just to brighten the skin. So both your vitamin C and your whitening toner can be used AM and PM, but you have to use it in the AM for sure. The PM is an option, okay? So that one is that. You've then got your daytime moisturizer, which is your Vital Day moisturizer, which goes over top of your vitamin C, which is your XL. That is your vitamin C product. Then you've got your Vital Day cream in the Rejuvi Plus line. It is just a really nice day moisturizer, and that is your protective day. It does not have retinol and it does not have AHA in it. You do need to, however, after that, be using a really good sunscreen, a physical sunscreen with your titanium, your zinc, your iron oxide. You want to be putting a full layer on your face, going back, doing another full coating on your face. Wherever you've got the brown discoloration, you want to go back, you want to put more of the sunblock on, so you've got 2 or 3 coats on before you even step out of the house. That's really important for pigmented skin, the issues that one suffers with that. So we've got, and then the other added item into the kit for pigmented skin is the de-clearing gel. It comes in a very small bottle. It has got the alpha-arbutin in it, a little bit of retinol. It's something that works on just brown spots especially. That one is a nighttime product that has to be put on a clean skin. So if you're going to use the de-clearing gel on a specific area, maybe you've got a brown sunspot, or you've got just a brown spot, a melasma spot, and you're going to be using the de-clearing, you cannot use it really more than 4 nights a week. But it has to go on a skin that's clean. So you can't have used other product on it. You've just washed your face. Now you're going to put on your de-clearing gel. And once you put that de-clearing gel on, it's a liquid. Once you put it on, it stays on the skin for 8 hours. You cannot wash it off. It must stay on. Do not put anything over top of it. It goes on a clean skin, nothing under, nothing over, and that is the de-clearing gel. And as I said, it's a really, it's a great product, but it is a product especially for brown spots. So whether it be sunspots, freckles, or the darkened melasma spots, that is all part of the lightening kit. And it's okay to alternate some of your serums. Like I said, you just want to make sure you're wearing a really good sunscreen every day, because one time without your sunscreen is a problem and it'll all come back. So you want to make sure you're really good with your physical sunblocks. You're putting it on, you're reapplying it, you're wearing clothing to cover areas that do get sunlight. These things are very important for keeping your skin, you know, as even tone as possible. So those are the 8 items within the pigmented kit. It is the cleanser, essential cleanser, the super soothing, the whitening toner, the Q flavonoid, your PM serum, your vitamin C serum for your daytime, your what else do we have here? The whitening toner, the de-clearing gel, your specialty item that stays on a clean skin for 8 hours, your Vital Day, and your A night gel. So you've got all your products there. It's all part of the kit. It's all you need for now in just keeping your skin